Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon, I'm going to make the 180 degree cone, figure number 10 from the Elements of Pop-Up. This is the book, The Elements of Pop-Up. This is the cone. And this pop-up is similar to the cylinder, which I made last, and I'll show you how this works. This cone also has a lot of stress, and I'm going to do something a little bit different this time to help you understand how to deal with stress. This is the downloadable pattern that you get from popupbooks.com. It's free, so anybody can download that. This is the cone itself. It's a cone-shaped piece. You'll see that's what it looks like from the side. So we'll glue that together. Hold that nice and snug. There isn't a lot of stress on this particular glue tab. The stress is where the tab's attached to the base page. And as you can see on the actual die that you download, there's a slot only designed on one side. What I did this time is I cut a second slot. So there's a slot on both sides. Both these slots are equal distance from the gutter. And what I'm going to do to help with the stress is I'm going to slot both sides. So here's one. The reason I don't do this when I design my books is I'm always thinking about how to make the hand assembly of the book efficient and fast. And slotting the second side here can just slow things down a bit. Sometimes it's necessary, but I try not to do it. So, and here's why. So you see I slotted the piece in on that side. Now to get this other piece into the slot can be a little bit tricky. Slide it in like that. Pull it through. There we go. Okay, so now the tabs are slotted on both sides of the gutter. And this will really help with that stress point. Because the stress point, like I said, is exactly where the glue tab glues. So there, I didn't have to glue it very long, and there's your pop-up. So that's one way to solve for really stressful stress points. Slotted on both sides. Okay. There you go. That's the 180 degree cone, figure 10 from the Elements of Pop-Up.